have got my foundation paper piece with the 3-inch diamond and room for 1/4-inch seam allowance either side. I've got my background because the diamond in these are white, and I have the corners all cut out, triangles. This is a beautiful Elysian Day. I've got this in 2 colorways. I've got the sort of bright light blue and a more navy, but I like the bright one. Okay, so we're going to prepare our paper first. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this little serrator thingy, and can't be helped, can it? Okay, so we're going to score from end to end along here. That makes it easy to fold up because that's how we get everything lined up. So from there, and then that will fold up like so, nice and neatly. We do all right from edge to edge. Sometimes you might want to do 2 if you go off the line a little bit. Excuse me. It's rather annoying doing this, and you make weird sort of noises, and you've got to go and edit them out. Well, this is probably about the 5th time I've tried to do this, and I'll probably edit out these comments. Right, so that's all looking fine. All right, now we get ourselves into a little bit of a process here. We're going to put right sides up, and because this is very hard to tell which is the right and which is the wrong, it's actually been very useful as a background fabric. Okay, so we'll line it up here, and we're just going to hold it, because this is our stitching line along here, and you see that piece is really, of scrap is really rather big. That's our first stitching line, so we're just going to pin that here, just to hold it steady, straighten it out, don't stretch it too much. Okay, so now we're going to get ourselves into a bit of a rhythm here. So we fold. Now we need to make this, we need to trim this up for a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Got this magic ruler that just slots in here and gives me a beautiful 1/4-inch edge. I'm going to move it into the middle a bit. I'll hit that. Right, that's done. So trim it up. Next step, line it up, fold it back up. Now you've seen I've done right sides to right sides, and then move this along a wee bit, and then we're stitching. So I always like to do a back stitch here, and just go back, and I've set my stitch length at 170 to give a very tight stitch. So we're just going right along that pencil line, or that line, that marked line there. Back tack again, because these edges do get a bit of pressure on them. Okay, so we have marked it, we have marked it, we have trimmed it, we have folded it, we have stitched it, and now we'll turn it over and see what our seam looks like. And that looks fine. It's covering over. Now we just did this little press here. Now we take out our pin, and it's rinse and repeat. So we fold it down on that line. We get our 1/4-inch seam. So fold it, trim it, right sides to right sides, line it up, fold the paper back up, and stitch along. That looks pretty good. Look at that.